welcome. This is Echo Gamer Show on the Echo Gaming channel. Today we're going to be trying to make a 3D design on Tinkercad. Tinkercad is this 3D program where you make 3D shapes to 3D print. So let's start on making our logo. So our logo, so this is our logo. We're going to first get our shapes. And let's pull up our picture right here. And this is our picture. When we do this, we would want to delete everything because we don't need anything else. We just need our letters. So as you know, we have our letters right now. And you basically want to use our magic wand and hold shift down and click each single letter. If you don't hold shift, it will not select multiple things. So now we're done. And when we are done selecting, you would want to get a new layer. And then get your paint bucket right here. Fill it in. Boom. And you can deselect all. You should delete this layer. And there we go. So there's our letters. Next, we would want to go to File. You want Save As. And we would put it in our folder called Space. Then you click, let's call this our video. And this would be PNG, we would want to make it. So click Save. And yeah, none compression. And then when we get into our thing, we would want to go to this thing called PNG to SVG. This converts it into a SVG to import it to our work plane. So let's put our file into here. It's called the video. Here it is. We put it in and then generate. And we'll put our next image down. And ta-da! And so then we download it. And yeah, it'd be image. So let's just replace this one. Yes, replace it. There, now it's downloaded. And we can go to our Tinkercad. We would want to import it. Choose a file. There it is. No, that's our PNG. Here it is. Here it is. Ta-da! And here we go. Here is our logo. Super big. Let's make it tinier. Okay, so there's our logo. Okay, then we would want to make it smaller, not taller. And how tall should this be? I think we should put out 1.25. There we go. There's our logo. We can change the color later. So we can just make it white right now. Okay, so there's our logo. We can put that to the side. Oh no, I messed up. I should put that on lock. Okay. So then let's start with our rim right here, rim. So we get our cylinder. We should make it. So let's start with the bottom part, and then the outside rim will be a little higher. So our bottom part will be clear, because I want to make it see-through kinda, and this will be 0.38. Okay, so there's ours, and we can make it rounder by adding more sides. And ta-da! There we go. We can make this clear, put it white, and then we can put transparent. There we go. There's our done bottom part. It'll fit when we put our bottom part. So then we get one more cylinder for the outside rim around here. We want to make this smaller, of course. And we would want to put this at 1. There we go. We can make sides, and this will probably be red. There we go. So if we would want to make a hole in this, because the outside rim is in the inside rim. So if you want to make a hole in Tinkercad, it took me some time to learn this, but you're supposed to get another cylinder. You can make it a little smaller. And yeah. And then you see this button right here? It says hole. So you have to put that button. You would want to make it your size, so that is 20. So let's do this at 15. Let's try that. 15. There you go. Let's make that a little bigger. Let's make it 17. As you can tell, it's not really that round, like not fitting. So if you want to put 17 and a half, 17.5. So there you go. You would want to put next one 17.5, and there you go. And when you put a hole, you need to group everything, and you'd want to group it. So there you go. There's our hole. We'll put our hole right on top of this, ta-da, like that, just like that. And next, we just put our logo right there. Right, we have to unlock it. Like, just like so. Let's make it a little tinier. It would want, let's make it, yeah, 15. So like, just like that. And we're done with our logo. Ta-da! So there's our intro. This is our how to make a logo in Tinkercad. So bye.